Hi, Yoganandha.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. You,
Yes.
ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Vashini from Quality Department.
Okay.
Today I'm going to take feedback video from your side.
Sure.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations, Yoganandha, for the placement.
Thank you, ma'am. It's all credit goes to CMTI.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, can you introduce yourself, your college, your native?
Good afternoon. My name is Yoganandha Reddy. Basically, I am from Tirupati, currently living in Bangalore. I completed my BE Civil Engineering in Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences in Tirupati. And generally, now I completed IDM course in CMTI, Bangalore.
Okay, how you got to know about CMTI?
One of my friend called Rupesh referred me. He already got placed in Sapwa, so he referred me here.
What course you have taken in CMTI?
IDM, interior designing.
Okay, in interior design management, what and all topics and softwares you have learned?
All the spaces which are empty in inner space of building, we should be reconstructed that as interior. And also, I learned about the softwares called AutoCAD, Sketchup.
You have visited various sites and showroom, right?
Yeah.
So which and all showroom you have visited?
I visited Spancore Technologies. It is a modular work factory. Plywood. It's a woodworking company. I visited a glass door partitions called as.
You have went for the internship, right?
Yeah.
Where you have went?
It is the role of the internship is project manager.
Okay.
It is a commercial interiors project, ma'am. The project name is VV Systems. It's a power plant, ma'am. Electrical power plant.
Which company?
It is under the company name called as Inspire Interior.
Okay.
This Inspire Interior is Anand Selvarajan and co-founder is Tamil Mani, sir.
How your internship helped for the training?
Yeah, ma'am. I can implement the things in the real time. నేను ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇంటీరియోలో 1 month ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేశాను అండర్ ద గైడెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆనంద్ సెల్వరాజన్ సార్ అండ్ తమిళ్ మణి సార్. ఈ 1 month నాకు చాలా బాగా హెల్ప్ అయింది. ఎలా అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం క్లాసెస్ లో కూర్చొని వినడం కన్నా మనం రియల్ టైంలో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసే ఆ థింగ్స్ నీకు చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్తాయి. సో మై సజెషన్ ఫ్రమ్ మై సైడ్ ఈస్ come and join CMTI and search for an internship. Go on it.
What you felt which is better, in classroom theory classes or learning from the internship basis?
Yeah, coming to the software means classes are good, man. Coming to remaining things and all, we can learn in the internship, man. Softwares, we need to learn in these sessions only. We need to come to CMTI. Otherwise, remaining and all, we can learn from internship.
Why you have decided to join for the Inspire Interior?
Because my long-term goal is to open a new company in my native place, man. If I join in a bigger company, then they will assign a certified job with my job role, man. Here, the Inspire Interior is now growing company. I can do many of the works. That means in a project, I can involve in all the things. Man. All the works can I do there.
Okay. Did you got other opportunities to attend the interview?
Previously, I attended 2 interviews. In that one is from Purvankara. It's a woodworking interiors company, and also No Broker. In No Brokers, I got offered 25K salary plus fuel allowance, but I choose Inspire Interior. But I choose to join in Inspire Interior.
Okay, Yoganandha. There, what role you have got selected?
I selected in the role as site cum designer.
Okay. There was interview also, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So how many rounds with the interview?
In Purvankara, it is about two rounds, man. One is assistant HR and second one is HR. In No Broker, they conducted 2 rounds of interviews. One is in call and another one is online interview.
Okay, in Inspire Interview, there was interview or directly have go?
No, based upon my work, sir appointed me as site cum engineer role.
Okay. Like you have used your CMTI app.
Yeah, ma'am.
So how it was useful for the interview?
Yeah, in that app we can see a lot of questions which are previously asked in that interviews. We can prepare before only for that questions, and we can attend the interview, and we can get placed on from there.
Okay.
Um,
Like what do you want to tell to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
Yeah, I came here with zero knowledge about interiors, but I am going full-fledged happy, and also I got placed, I got job. So I say, what is the suggestion I am giving to my friends is to come and join in CMTA. There are many other institutes in Bangalore, but compared to that institutes, CMTA is quite better than others. Man. I will refer some of my friends to join in CMTA.
Okay, Yoganand. Like congratulations for the placement and completing the course in CMTI.
Thank you. Thank
Have a
you.
bright future.
Thank you.
Thank you.